Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about multiplication of radical expressions, problem solving. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about multiplications of radicals problem solving. So first, find the area of the following figures. So we have this is a triangle, an oblique triangle with an altitude of square root of 5 and a base of 4 square root of 15. And this is a rectangle with a length of 7 square root of 32 and with the width of 4 square root of 8. So we will solve these two, finding the area using radical expression. So let's start with the first one. So let me first use or choose my pen for this portion. Let me choose red black pen. Ayan. Okay. So dito sa ating triangle, meron tayong given na square root of 5 and 4 square root of 15. Remember that in finding the area of a triangle, meron tayong formula na BH over 2. That is base times height divided by 2. Okay, our given in the problem are the following. So we have the base, which is equal to 4 square root of 15. Mamaya na natin susulat yung mga measurement. And then for the height, we have square root of 5. Okay, and 2 is constant, given yan. So by following the formula, so we can now solve. So area equals base is 4 square root of 15, okay, multiplied by the height, which is square root of 5, all over 2. All right. Now, square root of 15 times square root of 5 is 75. Tama? So we have 75. So we have 4 square root of 75. Kasi 4 times 1, 1 yan. So meron tayong 4. And then square root of 15 times square root of 5 is 75 all over 2. Think a number na sa 75, factors niya, 1 is a perfect square and 1 is not a perfect square. So, naiisip ko is 25 and 3. Ito yung dalawang naiisip ko number, 25 and 3. Tama? So, kung 25 yan, 25 times 3 is 75. Am I right? 15 times 5. Let me check nga. Baka ako yung mali. 15 times 5 is 75. Okay, correct. So, 25 and 3. So, let's continue with our solution. So, we have 4 square root of 25 times 3 all over 2. Okay. Now, for the continuation, what is the square root of 25? That's 5. So, we have 4 times 5. Kasi ilalabas na natin si 5 because it has already a square root. Okay? And, wait lang. And, we have 3. Matitira si 3. So, square root of 3. And then, we have 2. So, 4 times 5 is 20. Square root of 3 over 2. And finally, the area is 20 divided 2, that's 10. So, that's 10 square root of 3. And then meter yung ginamit natin. So, we will use squared meter. Bakit squared meter? Kasi we're talking about area. So, meron siyang squared. Okay, so this is the final answer in finding the area of the given triangle. Is that clear? Okay, now let's have the other one. We have this rectangle with a length of 7 raised to square root of 32 and 4 square root of 8 for the width. So first we will write the formula, which is equal to length times width for the area. And the given are the length is equal to 7 square root of 32, and the width is equal to 4 square root of 8. So by using this formula, we can substitute the given. So we have A equals, what's L? That's 7 square root of 32. Multiply to the width, which is 4 square root of 8. Alright, so what is 7 times 4? 28 is the answer, right? And what is 32 times 8? 32 times 8, that's 256. So we have square root of 256. What is the square root? Meron bang square root ang 256? Would you like to try it on your calculator to answer the square root of 256? Did you get it? Tama. So therefore, A is equal to 28, and the square root of 256 is 16. And 16 times 28, okay, so we need to multiply now 16 times 28. What's your answer? 16 times 28. That's 400. Am I right? 16 times 28 is 448. Okay? So again, we multiply 7 times 4 is 28. Tama naman ako, di ba? Then 32 times 5, 8 is 256. And the square root of 256 is 16. Then we multiply 16 and 28 and we got 448 centimeter ang ginamit. So that is squared centimeter for the final answer. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, so that's all about our lesson for the multiplication of rational expressions problem solving. So with that, I hope you learned something and good day.